Good morning, students. Here Akhilesh Kumar Tripathi, your physics teacher. First of all, welcome and congratulations in 11th class, as you have qualified your 10th examination. Probably due to this crisis situation, we are unable to find you face to face. But with new technology and audio and video is the resource. With the help of this resource, my voice is just rhyming to you. Let us discuss about your physics subject and some contents which are very important for 11th class and for your competition also. In your physics subject, there are two books which are prescribed by your CBSE board, NCERT Part 1 and NCERT Part 2. In NCERT Part 1, there are only mechanics are taught. Mechanics means this is branch of physics. In this branch, we will teach you how to maintain with this whole universe. First of all, in first unit, first chapter is a physical world. Number second is units and measurement, and third is kinematics, and fourth is work, power and energy, gravitation, center of mass, and rotational motion. Only this is 5 or 6 chapters according to NCERT. And in next book, fluid mechanics, solid mechanics, wave, sound wave, and finally we will teach you what is your Doppler effect. In first unit, there is introduction of physics, just like what is gravitational attraction force, what is electric force, what is nuclear force, and what is magnetic force. In first chapter, physical world, only it has been described that what is the relation between this whole universe and what we are doing. For example, if we are moving, in this motion, definitely there is something happen just in your favor which help you to move us on the earth surface. That is your gravitational power. Without gravitational power, nobody can move on the surface of earth. Every accident or every event, whatever happening in this universe, there is direct relation to our science. In this physical world, only it has been described that our physics plays very important role to maintain our daily routine. Every component of the life is directly related to their physics. Therefore, physical world is the only chapter which teaches you what is the relation between this physical life to this physical world. In first topic, what is Coulomb's law? Coulomb's law means, when you have already studied in 10th class, electric force and magnetic force. When two charges Q1 and Q2 are placed at some distance, then force of attraction or force of repulsion will take place, which is denoted by capital F, and this capital F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. This is electric force. Second, your magnetic force. For example, when two pieces of magnet are brought near to one another, then they are attracted or repelled by one another. When opposite poles came to one another, then attraction, and when same pole came to one another, then it is repulsion. Similarly, nuclear force, it is originated from nucleus, just as your atomic power and atomic bomb, hydrogen bomb, all these are only nuclear force. Then attraction force, repulsion force, electric force, magnetic force, and nuclear force, all these type of very magnificent forces which are useful in our daily life. Then in your fair copy you have to write first chapter physical world and some introduction about physical world. Then you have to discuss about all type of forces: contact force, non-contact force. But first of all, what is force? Types of forces. Contact force, non-contact force. In contact force, muscular force. Non-contact force, magnetic force and